Hey everyone, welcome to Just Garaging It. Today we're going to be showing you how to reset the belt life on a Kawasaki ATV 4x4. So this is a Prairie 360. This will work on some of the older, like 2011, I think up to 16 Brute Forces and Prairies. So what we have here is the belt life will come on, or the belt reset will come on every, say, 100 hours or whenever the belt needs to be serviced. So if you change the belt and the belt light comes on or it goes into limp mode, seems like there's a rev limiter, then you'll just have to do a reset for the belt light. So what you have here is you have these two plugs. You have a gray plug here, you have a black plug here. They're the same plug. So what you're going to want to do is get a little screwdriver. Let's see if I can get in here with my light a little better. So you're going to want to unplug the gray. And I already unplugged these here. Then I unplug the black. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug the black into the gray. You're going to want to clip it in. And you want to plug the gray into the black. Just like that. So they're all in there. Okay. So then what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to cycle the key on. Put the ignition on without starting it. And then once the ignition's on, there's another black wire here, two prong. You're going to unplug that. So you unplug this one. Leave that one unplugged. Okay. And let it sit for like 10 seconds. Then you're going to cycle the key off. You're going to hear the motor here, and then once that stops, okay, cycle the key back on, wait like 10-15 seconds, okay, cycle the key back off again. You're going to hear the actuator again. So after all that, you're going to want to, after the key's off, you're going to plug the gray back into the gray. You're going to plug the black into the black. You're going to plug this two-prong plug back together. Cycle your key on. And your light should be off. That's how you reset the belt life on a Kawasaki ATV. If you have any questions or concerns, just put them in the comments. I'll answer them as best as I can. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is Just Garaging It.